Hey, creators! Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a fundamental skill for video editing on your mobile device, adding text in Capcut. Let's jump right in. First things first, open the Capcut app on your mobile device. Once you're in the editing interface, you're ready to start adding text. Look for the text tool, typically represented by the T icon. It's usually found in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to activate the text feature. Now you'll see a text box on your video preview. Tap on it to enter your desired text. Whether it's a caption, title, or any other text element, type it in. Capcut offers various options to customize your text. You can change the font, color, size, and style. Experiment with these settings until your text looks just right for your video. Next, you can adjust the duration of your text by dragging the edges of the text box. Position the text where you want it on the screen by dragging it to the desired location. Before finalizing, take a moment to preview your video. And there you have it, a complete tutorial on how to add text in Capcut on your mobile device. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.